Hello everyone, I am Joyce Morella and welcome to my dining experience at SM Vikings Marikina. If you love food and want to travel the world through your taste buds, then this place is for you. Let me take you on a delicious journey. Ano, tara! The moment I walked in, I felt like I stepped into a global food festival. The atmosphere was warm and inviting with so many people enjoying themselves. And the aroma, OMG, it was like a blend of international spices calling out to me. There were so many choices from Japanese sushi and Filipino lechon to roasted beef and tempting selection of desserts. Every station felt like a different part of the world. They offer fresh, beautifully and presented dishes. And to be honest, it was really hard to decide where to start. I started with something light, which is mushroom soup and sushi. The soup was creamy and comforting, and the sushi was fresh and flavorful. Then I moved on to roasted beef, and as I was chewing it, it was really tender and juicy. And I also tried dessert. I tried cakes and pastries. They are also delicious with a balanced taste of sweetness, and I am so thankful that I was part of that experience. And through this experience, I learned that food is more than just something we eat. It's a way to understand different cultures and traditions. Each dish tells a story, and really appreciate each of it. This dining experience opened my eyes to how diverse and exciting international cuisine can be. It taught me to appreciate the effort and artistry behind every dish. I've learned to look beyond the flavors and think about the culture and history behind them. So in the future, I'll take these lessons with me. Whether I'm cooking at home or studying new recipes, I'll think more about the origins of each dish, respect its roots, and maybe even add my own twist. Who knows, diba? Maybe one day I'll create the dish that combines what I've learned. Overall, my time at SM Vikings Marikina was more than just a meal, but it was a journey around the world. And I am so grateful for this experience and excited to see how it shapes my future culinary adventures. Thanks for watching and always remember, the best way to learn about the world is to taste it.